Morning. Today we will do simplify type of questions using the formula that we have learnt earlier. So let's begin. So now you can see here there is a polynomial, quadratic polynomial. We have to simplify this. What we will do is we will try to convert everything into brackets so that we can cancel them. Now let's start with the first one. Now we want the product 18 and addition 9. So 6 3s are 18 and 6 plus 3 is 9. So this first one can be written as x square plus 6x plus 3x plus 18. Now the the denominator. We want product minus 18 and addition minus 3. So it is minus 6 and plus 3. Right? So x square minus 6x plus 3x minus 18. Now this x minus 6 we will write as it is. Now x square minus 36 is in the form a square minus b square. And you have learned the formula is a minus b, a plus b. So using that we will be expanding this. So 36 is nothing but 6 square. So it can be written as x minus 6 and x plus 6. So now let's take 2 bracket at a time and solve. From these two we can remove x common. What remains is x plus 6. From here we remove 3 common. Again x plus 6. From these two again x. So x minus 6. From here 3. Again x minus 6. This we have all these formulas we have already learnt. We are just simplifying sums using those formulas. Now we will make 2 brackets here, x plus 3, x plus 6. Again down here, x plus 3, x minus 6. Again x minus 6 here and x minus 6, x plus 6. So you can see everything. All the polynomials we have converted into brackets. Now you should remember you cannot cancel x square and x square, 18 and 18 or like that, because there is a plus or a minus sign associated with every term of a polynomial. You can see it is x square plus 9x. But here also you can see we have got brackets and these brackets indicate multiplication. Now where multiplication is there, you can cancel. But now here also you will not be able to cancel only x or 6. You have to cancel the entire bracket. For example, x minus 6, x minus 6, x plus 6, x plus 6. The entire bracket you have to cancel. X plus 3, x plus 3. So you can see in the numerator nothing remains, so 1. And in the denominator only x minus 6 remains. So the answer is 1 upon x minus 6. Right? Formulas are the same. We are not using any new formulae. We are just using these formulas to solve the sum. Let's do it here now. You can see x square minus y square. So again it is in the form a square minus b square. So we write it as x minus y and x plus y upon. Now this is a plus b the whole square. We will not expand it to write a square plus 2ab plus b square. We will just write it as 2 brackets. We are interested in getting brackets here. So x plus y the whole square means x plus y is multiplied 2 times. That is why I am writing x plus y, right? Now this we will leave it as it is. Now this denominator is in the form a cube minus b cube. We have just learned the formula a minus b in the bracket a square plus ab plus b square. This is the formula of a cube minus b cube which we have seen in the last video. Now we got all of them in brackets. Now let us see what we can cancel. 1x plus y we can get cancelled, 1x minus y can get cancelled, and you can see x square plus xy plus y square is same. The entire bracket gets cancelled. So again in the numerator nothing remains, and in the denominator only x plus y remains. So this becomes the answer. Now let's do one more sum. Now here you can see it is 27m cube minus 8n cube. Now this is in the form a cube minus b cube. So 27 is nothing but 3 cube. So we can write it as 3m the whole cube minus 8 is 2 cube. So 2n the whole cube. And the denominator is in the form a square minus b square. So let us first write it out. 3m the whole square. See, 3 square is 9, m square, right? And 4 is nothing but 2 square. So first we write it properly so we know how to expand it. Now this is a cube minus b cube. So a minus b formula. Next a square, that is 9m square, plus ab 3 into 2 6mn plus b square, 4n square, upon, this will be a minus b, a plus b. So now we can cancel this, and what remains is 9m square plus 6mn plus 4n square upon 3m plus 2n. So this becomes our answer. Now let's go to the next one. Now here again we want product 1 and addition 2. So it will be minus 1 minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 1 is 1 and addition is 2. So we write it that way. Now this is in the form a cube minus b cube. 1 is a cube of itself. So it is now in the form a cube minus b cube. So a minus b, then a square plus ab. X into 1 is x plus b square, 1. We leave this as it is, and the denominator also as it is. Now we will take two terms at a time and remove common. So from here I can remove x common, so x minus 1. From here I can remove 1 common, so x minus 1. Now we will leave this as it is. Every time you have to write the entire step. So we make two brackets here now, x minus 1 upon. First convert everything possible into brackets, and then we should see of cancellation, not before. Now we have completed everything. So x minus 1, x square plus x plus 1, x square plus x plus 1 gets cancelled. Now what remains is only x minus 1 upon x plus 1. So this is our answer. So for this you should be very thorough with the formulas. A cube minus b cube, a square minus b square. You can see we have not used any other formula. We have used only these two formulas and splitting the middle number to make two brackets. So these are the only three formulas. If you are thoroughly understood these formulas, you will be able to convert every numerator and denominator into brackets and then just cancel whatever is same, and you will be left with the final answer. Thank you.